Okay, today I'm building a 2-level hammock right next to my cabin. First, I lay 3 logs together to form a triangular frame. I started by wrapping the rope 3 times around the outer side. Then twist the rope 3 times through each gap between the logs. Then, I tie the whole structure off with a knot. And then we stand the frame up, spreading the 3 legs apart. This is our stand. Next, we move the stand into position. Okay, the position's right now. After that, we build the second stand, which is exactly like the first one. Once the stands are ready, we slide the hammock fabric over the log, and the hammock is set. Placing the hammock onto the stands isn't easy to do alone, by the way. Then, following the same steps, we made a wider hammock and put it in place. Finally, we reinforced everything with some extra ropes. It's not complex, but it's just hard, you see. Okay, and just like that, our 2-level hammock is all done.